Hello, this is Barnacle Builder Trader. We're going to take a quick look at the markets, but first, trading futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. You should carefully consider whether trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances, knowledge, and financial resources. You may lose all or more of your initial investment. Opinions, market data, and recommendations are subject to change at any time. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Okay, first of all, we'll take a look at crude on the monthly. On the monthly, you can see we are one time framing lower, which is negative. On the weekly, we are we just stopped. No, this is today. We were one time framing lower on the weekly, which is negative, but we left a pretty nice buying tail here, reversal bar here. So that's positive, so that's mixed. On the daily, we left a little bit of a buying tail here and had two strong buying days. Now, this may have gotten a little ahead of itself. We'll see that in a second. So to look at the market profile, you can see here that this was emotional buying, probably some short covering. Did not leave good structure down here. This may be revisited in the near future. This looked like a short covering until the last part of the day. Now, already it's 30.88. It's down here close to the low of the day. I was going at the end of the day, I was curious to see if it could fill in this spike. It looks like that isn't going to happen. So you have this gap that it could fill here, or that it could fill here. So what I'm looking for is for it to break this low. You have four scenarios. One, it can open and drive north or open and drive south. Two, it could have 3 and 4 would be some type of rotation, like test lower and then go up, or test higher and go down. So if it tests higher, I'm not I'd be real curious to see if it'll get past this point of control, if it tests higher first this morning, and then my idea is that it would break the low, test this point of control. The opposite end of that would be come down here, test these gaps and this point of control, maybe bounce higher, or just fight through this to go lower, maybe 29.35 or 28.92. Okay, that's the CL. On the ES, we're one time framing lower, and the monthly we broke below these two references and came back within range. Left a little bit of a buying tail here. On the weekly, we left a buying tail. So this is a mixed picture here. On the daily, we left a nice buying tail, but there wasn't a lot of follow through here. You see a lot of volume here, less and less volume, less and less movement. So is this just a pullback to go lower, or is this a correction, or is this actually a reversal? Up here you can see that it was a balanced day. You have a strong point of control here. You have a strong point of control here, prominent point of control. You have anomalies down here, and you have a poor low down here. So there's a lot of reasons why I could visit this prominent point of control, repair these anomalies, and repair this poor low. So there's a lot of reasons it could go down. So as this day opens up, it could open drive north or open drive south. But if there is to be a some type of rotation, my thought is that it would break this low and come down here and test these points of control here, this whole area here, and reverse, or test down here, fight through it, and go lower, maybe down to this point of control. And maybe, I doubt that it would actually hit the lows today, but it could open up down here by the low, test the point of control higher, and then fall. But I'm not really expecting it to go much higher before it tests lower. All right, thanks.